Hi there, students. To get the bit between your teeth, to take the bit between your teeth, to have the bit in your teeth as well, if you like, but I think between is more common. This is a phrase. This means to do something with lots of energy, with a really determined attitude. So I didn't really enjoy this much at first, but when I got the bit between my teeth, I really started enjoying it. I started doing it with very keenly and with energy. One of the things that's good about John is you give him a project, and once he gets the bit between his teeth, he goes at it and goes at it until it's finished. He's really determined. Yeah, so to deal with something in a way that you're not likely to stop until it's finished, or to do it really enthusiastic, yeah, with great keenness. Yeah, so somebody who takes the bit between their teeth, they're doing something energetically. So the bit. This is a piece of metal that goes in a horse's mouth. You've got the phrase champing at the bit, really keen to do something. And this piece of metal, it's joined to the reins behind. So if the horse has got the bit between its teeth, I think it's biting down on the bit and it's really going at it as hard as it can. Yeah? So the horse is holding the bit tightly so that the rider can control it very well. Okay, so yeah, to get the bit between your teeth, yeah, to do something you've decided to do, and do it very energetically and very enthusiastically with lots of energy. Yeah, you don't stop. Yeah, you start doing it in a very determined way. Yeah, I think sometimes I can be lazy about things, but once I've got the bit between my teeth, I get it done. Yeah, okay, you become enthusiastic about a job that you've got to do. I think you get down to it. You really concentrate on it. You go at it energetically. So maybe with studying, I don't want to study. I want to just sit here and do nothing. But once you've got your bit between the bit between your teeth, then you really go at it and you study really hard. Because if you've got to work, it's best to take the bit between your teeth and to really, really go for it. Yeah, there's nothing that's going to hold you back. Yeah, you've got a lot of commitment, a lot of focus on your task. You're focused very, very, very clearly on what you are doing. Yeah, you're going to get it done. It's sort of like to take the bull by the horns, but that's normally with a problem. Yeah, you take the bit between your teeth. You take the problem in that way. Grasp or take the bull by the horns. Yeah, you go for it. You try as hard as you can to succeed in it. Okay, so as I said, the bit, it's this piece of metal, yeah, that goes into the horse's mouth. Okay, formality, to get the bit between your teeth. I think this is probably slightly informal. I think I'm going to give it maybe a 4 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, and stop there. Certainly no more. And notice to take the bit, to get the bit, to have the bit. Yeah, this means you've really got down to work. You've got down to working hard. You've got down to studying. You're going for at it full pelt as fast as you can. So I hope you've got the bit between your teeth for learning English. Yeah, because that'll mean you make a lot of improvement. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To get the bit between your teeth, to have the bit, to take the bit. Bye for now.